Good morning, Mr. JongSoo.
Yeah. Nice to meet you again. Tragedy, what? Airjet. Horror in the sky. Oh. Tragedy.
What else do you expect, huh?
The sky. Oh yeah, I heard this in radio,
Yeah.
in car.
Yeah. A helicopter and a commercial aircraft from Kansas City.
Why does this happen? No explanation of the accident.
I really didn't read it. I have to. A little bit that I heard on the reporting that the control tower, or whoever's gliding them in, asked if the pilot had a visual of the helicopter or the helicopter had a vision of the plane, and within a second or so, bang. So I'm wondering if the people that are controlling the planes had the helicopter under control. I don't know. It's a shame. No, I'm moving slowly this morning. I don't know why, but I am. I was up last night watching a movie about samurai.
Samurai.
The title of the movie is Ghost Dog.
Ghost dog.
Dog, yeah. And what's the black actor's name? I'll remember it.
Black guy?
Yeah, plays.
In samurai movie, black guy?
Yes.
What happened?
Very good, though. Forrest Whitaker, the actor, black actor. Very good. He's a very good actor. Excellent. And he plays a very good part and relates many words or lessons about the samurai, I think they are, and how they deal with it. Okay? But he grows up as a poor kid in a poor area, raises pigeons, and his life is saved by a thug, and he then becomes a samurai, and the story goes on from there. Interesting. But he plays a very good part.
But I am more interested in this accident. Yeah.
Okay.
But wow. I remember.
Those are these are the. I think that's the helicopter, and that's the aircraft.
Commercial
Yeah.
commercial flight.
Right.
Yeah. I remember one big air crash in history. Maybe a similar accident after the accident, the analysts found the reason why they struck each other. There are manual for airplane. There is one airplane. The manual for protocol, some kind of protocol, when they meet another airplane in the air, how to escape the collision. So, but finally, the analyst found the flawed in protocol. I don't know the detail, but finally, the the writer of the protocol, that article, it is very ambiguous. The protocol is in ambiguous situation, so they escape same direction. When they have this line, but they same direction. So very sad and bad, ridiculous accident. So at the time I realized that this is another example. Human is not perfect. they have to escape each other, but they same direction. So very So the both of they surprised. Oh, why? But they could not escape because this is protocol. This driver could not know he's going to this way or this way, so he moved by the protocol. So oh, very
Yeah.
very.
So the protocol was flawed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So very small mistake make a big accident, like prove or die. Same concept. So we have to make a good protocol. No ignorance, small flaw in any any ideology, thinking, and behavior, attitude, everything. We have to serious on everything, because I could not know small flaw of mine make big tragedy in the world, but I don't know. Yeah, maybe some kind of flaw in here.
Yeah.
Very.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is big. Oh.
Look at the faces.
Oh. His family. Why? What?
Well, John F. Kennedy's daughter, Caroline, came out and really just lowered the boom on him down, where she said he has used his family name to advance his career, and this is wrong. Oh, wow. And Caroline was ambassador to Japan under Obama, and then under Biden, she was ambassador to Australia. So she had two. So she came out and just wiped him out.
Okay, I have a question. What is your opinion about the vaccine is wrong vaccine?
Yeah.
What is your opinion about this conspiracy?
No, I don't believe in conspiracy theories. I think that vaccinations have probably saved more lives. It's a good thing. As far as COVID is concerned, I don't know. In other words, I think vaccinations are good. But again, you have to look at every one of them individually and to see how it's working out. I mean, there's no question that they save lives. Okay? That's it.
But
But he has his conspiracy theories about that. I don't know. I don't know. He has a lot of good ideas. For example, too much sugar in the diet, obesity in America, red dye coloring in the foods. These are all carcinogenic.
Yeah.
And he has a lot of good ideas, but I'm not so.
I mean vaccination theory only because other issue is another issue. So
Right.
this is another. But the Trump appointed him as a.
Not yet. He's got to approve.
Oh,
he
not
has
yet?
to be approved. He's nominated, but he has to pass the Senate
Congress.
the Senate hearing. He has to face the congressional review hearings, and then the
okay.
Senate will vote on
Okay.
him.
Okay.
I believe both Congress has to vote and the Senate has to vote.
So.
They're not at that stage yet. He's still on the hot seat. But anyway, I think vaccinations are good, and they've been proven to be good.
So, but Trump is trying to appoint him as a chief of health. So,
HHS, Health and Human Services.
yeah. So, it reminded me of long one episode about Trump in COVID-19 period. Trump very upset because he did not expect the pandemic COVID-19, so he lose many much popularity because the COVID-19. At the time, every president of the world lose their past popularity because of pandemic. So Trump was very upset about this. So the Trump at the time recommend the people, how about eating a detergent to so he trying to appoint him as a chief. So it reminded me of that. Oh my God.
Yeah. Well, at the time, Trump had mentioned bleach, but he didn't mean it seriously. It was kind of in a joking fashion. It wasn't meant joking. Yeah, he didn't mean it seriously. Because you're not going to drink bleach.
But I know that kind of a person, my wife, same as, because sometimes we could not imagine human is how much stupid. It is possible. A lot of people still believe the earth is flat. Yeah, it is possible. A lot of people, a lot of share of the population in America believe that fact. Earth is flat. It is possible. At the time, I heard about the mention of Trump. How about having detergent? He was serious. I know that.
Yeah.
But so same. Because I am a scientist, so I know the general principle of nature principle. But a lot of people does not know the very fundamental principle of nature because they do not study.
They don't care.
Yeah, they don't care. Just when watch, they feel it is good. Oh, it is good. It is right. They do not reason any theology.
Right.
They just feel, and then they believe. So I told you we have to prove or die. If I feel and get believe it is true, it make a lot of people die. Very important. So this kind of concept already in Bible. You have to serious in every your behavior, your thinking. But a lot of people ignore important. Same thing.
He's not the. Trump promised him a job if he would drop out,
I know that.
and so he's trying to fulfill that commitment. But I don't think he's the best candidate.
Yeah, I know that.
They could give him another job somewhere else.
Political deal.
Of course.
I know,
Yeah.
but but yeah, this is.
He's a member of the Bad Boys Club too. He's been a bad boy. All right. Anyway.
Yeah, so how come he is the descendant of President
Well,
Kennedy?
Kennedy's brother, Robert Kennedy.
Anyway, Trump family.
Yeah.
So very what the
Yeah.
yeah. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah.
This is America, and politician.
Exactly.
No more than politician. Yeah, this is America.
Yep.
Same thing happen in the world, everywhere. No, big problem, serious problem, really, because this is the future of the America. Mass. I have another intuition. I did not understand why we study in English or Korean in elementary school and middle school and high school. I did not know the why we should study in English and Korean, because this is very normal. We can speak Korean or English. Why do we have to study in English and study in school? I did not understand. But right now, I understand why we should study in nation language. It is fundamental skill when we read some book and when we conversate with others, we have to understand what others says. So right now, I understand it is very important, and we have to study in mathematics, because we have to think logically, not feeling. So very important. But when I was young boy, I did not understand why we have to study this kind of math and language. So but right now, this is very, very important. So I understand. So this is very important. This is the future of USA.
And everybody speaks. Well, at the time, I'm sure the country recognized that America was a powerful country. And so, and people are all speaking English all over. It becomes, if it's not your first language, it becomes your second language. So, and which is good.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Wow. This is America. Yeah, I know.
I know you know.
But I told you yesterday, the power of NVIDIA is still going on, in my opinion, because higher level AI need higher algorithm, higher hardware. So, in my opinion, this is just a one-time episode. So, it passed every deep sea. Recently, the Alibaba announced their own AI. It is, do you know, the more than 2 trillion parameters of AI. It means more intelligence than any other American AIs.
Really? Wow.
That means the parameters make possibility. Do you understand what I mean? Very important, because the human made by please imagine a baby was born to the world. What does the baby know about the world? Imagine. When the baby was born into the world, the baby see same thing, same physical light and every fact, but the baby could not understand. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, yes, I can.
Because
Yes,
he did not know. The same happened. So from that fact, the baby grown up. The current AI inventor understand this education. The baby start to be educated by fact parameter. So I am made by parameters every fact.
Okay.
That means previous condition, pre-existing. I all the time explain you.
Yes.
Yeah, that means parameters. If I got 1 trillion parameters for myself, if another got more than 1 trillion parameters, he experienced more than me. Yeah. So more intelligence.
Right.
Because intelligence means possibility, fundamentally. That means if you experience so many more than study, then now you are more intelligence. So the new Alibaba AI implemented more parameters than any other American AI. So the deep sea accident invoke new starting point of a new war between China and America, in my opinion, because very right now it looks not deep, but it is fundamentally it is more very serious, because in my opinion, finally the AI
Marking things off. I'm like, yes.
eat every other so very big war start in my opinion.
Without fail.
Yeah. All the time I talk too much.
No, you don't. No, that's good. Well, you made me think of the question, and I've asked you this before. What determines intelligence? Why is it that some people have a higher IQ than other people? What determines that?
In my opinion, there are several factors in evaluating intelligence. In my experience, let me say one experience. Same situation, same environment, same situation, but I understand previous myself think no, let me say it differently. Two of myself, past myself, current myself, evaluate differently same situation. In my opinion, fundamentally, the intelligence the different mindset, the fundamentally different mindset. Recently, I am experiencing my wife's attitude to evaluate her environment. She always evaluate some environment negatively, but all the time I evaluate the same environment positively. Same environment, but totally different result, different world.
Perspective.
Yeah, this is the perspective from mindset. I mean, previous myself, before repenting to God.
So we'll be here through Sunday.
The world, the physical world is the same, always the same, but
In the evenings, like
I become converted to another person. Then totally different evaluate, totally different understanding, totally different recognition.
I'm gonna try to squeeze
So
in.
the fundamental myself is so intelligent. I understand when I take an exam test of IT, IQ test, I realize that everything is possibility. Mean same happen AI. Stupid person see the situation as only one way, but intelligent person see the situation as so many perspectives. But the intelligent person does not be perfect, but he can see one situation, many perspectives. So he could get chance to solve the problem because he has a lot of perspective. So I praise you all the time. You are open because you can get another perspective. This is intelligence. I mean, so your mindset is important. So in Bible written already, the wisdom is obeying to God. That means your concrete mindset you have to be break. Then you open to others. That means increase the possibility to solve some problem. So everything is already in Bible. Explained your question, the answer of your question.
Okay.
And what the sentence means everything already explained. The wisdom is obeying to God. That means you deny yourself. That means I can listen to others. That means I can get another perspective. That means increase the possibility to solve the problem. This is this is connected to the IQ test. All the time I study in mechanical engineering. When I try to solve the engineering problem, sometimes I could not solve. There is no way to solve the problem, but someday I can solve the engineering problem. What's the difference between? When I could solve the engineer problem, I was open to any other possibility. So I got more perspective than before, all the time. Yeah. So it is very important. Everything connected. You have to obey to God. Same thing, everything. So the Bible says the wisdom is obeying to God. Very fundamental, succinct. Succinct.
Yeah, no, it is. Because if you are fundamentally grounded in your religious belief.
No. Not based on religious. I was based on religious.
Okay.
But the God gave me science. So I break the base of religious. Break forever. But finally, I am based on real religious. Another concept. So let me say another word. The Christianity culture gave me the frame, one frame for me to evaluate something, the way, how to give the Christianity culture gave me the way how to view the world, and so I meet science when I in Christian culture. So the Christianity and scientific way make me have the way how to view and think. This is my
Okay.
explanation of it.
All right, good.
Deep sea.
Oh, I didn't even look. What is it?
What does mean out box?
Outfox means to do a better job. Deep sea used bevy of tactics to outmaneuver. You know, like a fox.
Mm-hmm.
A fox is
The animal.
huh?
Animal.
Yeah, animal. But a fox is very intelligent.
Yeah,
So,
very.
yeah, right. He. In other words, he knows if he's going to catch his prey.
I see.
He's going
Fox,
to catch his
yes.
prey. He doesn't just go one way. He looks at many options. So that's what they're saying. They outfoxed us. They outmaneuvered, outthought, outthinking.
Oh yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Every day.
감사합니다. How's your mother? How's your mother today? Have you? You'll see her.
My mother today went to a church.
Okay.
The dawn prayer.
Okay. Good.
First time after the cold, so she got
She wants to thank God. that
gets
it's-
back to
Right. Same thing here.
Yeah.
That's a good. Almost there. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So she went to church. Good.
Yeah, so-
I may go as well. I should go.
you know,
This
so
week to thank God. Well, I thanked him last night. I thanked him, which I do, for helping me get over this. Because as I mentioned to you, I know how it works. You can wake up on Monday feeling good, and on Friday they plant you. It's over. So as long as you can accept that, as you pointed out to me, death is God's ultimate gift to humanity. That's an incredible statement. And I think you're right. Because as you pointed at the same time, who wants to live to be 1,000 years old? And I think when you are old and not well and can't function, your body then prepares you for it. So the process of dying can become a lot easier. In fact, I think you welcome it because you don't want to have pain and suffering and no good. So anyway,
Namaste. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Okay.
Oh, 3 newspaper.
Yeah, these Margaret leaves these for me, so this is the first time that I've gotten, and she does. Margaret, I sat with her.